Hey guys, Gary and Willis here from Pure Funding Mortgage. We've just been talking this week. It's the beginning of 24. New buyers in the market. So just looking over some of our programs. And the one really interesting program that I think is great for folks, it's kind of like down payment assistance for conventional loans. So it's called our 1% program. It's really simple. Willis, give us some of the highlights of, who might qualify for it. It's open to a lot of folks. Yeah. So give us a little bit of a rundown on what that looks like for somebody that might be interested in buying a place like this.
Yeah. Place just like this.
Yeah.
So it's 1% down.
Okay.
And you get 2% gift from the lender that doesn't have to be paid back.
Right.
That's the amazing thing. So you're putting 1%, the lender's coming in and giving you 2%. So you're entering in with a 97% loan to value right off the bat, which on a $300,000 house, that's $6,000 that they just gave you.
Right.
I mean, that's a pretty awesome deal. It comes with a reduced PMI.
Right.
And the qualifications are home has to be less than $350,000.
Okay.
And if you're buying in Dallas, Tarrant County, or any county that touches one of those counties, you have to make less than $82,160 a year.
Okay.
So if you make less than that, now that's not household income. That's not you and your wife have to make. One of you can make $81,000, the other one can make $65,000. We're just going to use the $81,000.
Yeah.
So we do get to pick and choose. It's not a household like some of these programs are, which is really awesome. It's getting people into homes. We did one just a couple weeks ago that were able to get some seller concession. I think they came to closing with a couple $100. Which is just an amazing deal for people to be able to get into a home for that little out of pocket. And to have more equity in the home as well. So it's an awesome program. If you make less than $82,000 a year and live in Dallas, Tarrant, or any of the counties that touch it, give us a call. We'd love to help you. There's also qualification for other counties, but the income limits are different.
Any
let us know.
Any credit? What's the credit score?
Credit score needs to be above 620.
Okay.
And they do have to qualify conventionally, which means their debt to income ratio needs to be below 50%.
Awesome. That opens up a lot. And like Willis mentioned too, for the realtors out there that are watching, it's still a really good time to negotiate those seller concessions, seller credits, and like he mentioned, your buyer's going to come to the table with very little cash and be in a house with 3% already built in equity, right? 1% out of their pocket, 2% from the lender. It's a no-brainer deal. If you want to learn more, give us a shout, 817-776-4948. Check us out at mypurefunding.com. Also social media. We got all our videos out there, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. What You Talking About Willis series. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.